What is going on, guys? Sean Staplefield here with another episode in Straight Razor Shaving. And it's been a while. I haven't made a video in a while. I think I did the honing video. I think that's going to come up before this. But anyways, 48 hours of growth. Yeah. Starting to feel a little bit itchy, so it's about time we do a shave video. Today I'm going to be using this block of Cella sent to me by my friend Gary Shaves. Make sure you check him in the description below. I'm using Boat Drinks Glacial by Sterling Soap Company, and this was sent to me by my good friend Matthew Lawrence. Also, make sure you guys check him in the description below. Cajun Cutter. And I'm also going to try out this rocket razor. This has a Nakoda Black edge on it. And the brush for today is the Jack by Hendrix & Classics. So I already got my pre-shave on. I'm gonna lather here on camera because every once in a while it's good to show what you're doing. Sometimes I fast forward, and I know some of you guys want to see it. This is not 2 days growth, this is 5 days growth. 5 or 6, one of those two. That looks pretty good to me. All right. Oh yeah. I said this has the Nakoda edge on it. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but since I have a decent amount of growth, I need something that is really keen enough to cut that out. So I got this Cajun Cutter with a coticule edge with oil. Let's see how it does. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna do half of my face with this, and I'm gonna try out the Nakoda. You can even see the shadow here. My goodness. Beautiful long strokes. Under the nose. This was the razor I honed on camera. Except the oil part I didn't put on camera because the recording was done. You know, what I wanted to talk about was discussed. Beautiful. I think I hear my dog. Let me give you 1 second real quick. Okay, I am back. I got a new sofa, and I just wanted to make sure he wasn't on it because I don't want him to ruin it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. That's half of the face. Somewhat shaved. Let's try out the Nakoda edge on the Japanese frameback. Very interesting. I'm not going to do any comparisons here. So if you wanted a comparison, wrong place. And why would I compare two different stones? Doesn't make sense to me. It's like those guys that say, well, J-nut edge is better, and it might be better for you. It just might not be what I'm looking for that particular shave. And gotta be careful because this frameback is the size over here is a little bit taller, and then over here it's shorter. And I nicked myself the last time I used it because of that. All right. So I have a pretty good idea of how the Nakoda edge feels. And let me somewhat hydrate my skin with this damp towel. And let's go in with this beautiful Cella. Thank you, Gary, again. Alrighty. Oh man, I missed shaving. That's good enough for me. That's the stuff right there. We didn't make the sub 2-minute shave, but we did 2 minutes and 13 seconds. And that's a pretty impressive time. I'm happy. I'm just a little bit bummed that we were so close. This is where I nicked myself last time with that thing. With the other razor that I just used. And I gotta make sure I'm here in frame. My partner's gonna be happy. It's the grain. If you haven't tried oil on your cuticle, you're missing out. Alright, don't need too much lather for this last pass. I like my long strokes when I'm shaving. And as you guys can see, no problem with a growth, pretty big growth there. For 2 days growth, that was pretty big. Ooh, the moment I've been waiting for. Fool's pass. Just got back from work, drank a cup of coffee. My hands are a little bit jittery, but I needed that cup of coffee, man. I needed it bad. I'm thinking too much. For the fool's pass, just do it. Beautiful. We'll leave it at that. I don't want to have an unpleasant shave because so far this has been really freaking pleasant, man. That's my problem area. And over here as well. Let's do the nose. Get right in there. Beautiful. So the coticule was keener than the Nakoda, but it's a coticule, it's supposed to be keen. I don't know too much about Nakoda so far. I liked it. I think I finished on water on the Nakoda, so I might try oil on that. And then I also have to try the Invicta, and then those were sent to me by my friend Eric, the Cajun Blade. Make sure you check him out and check out his soap. He got an Etsy now. I think it's what he has now. He might still have his eBay, but the Etsy looks nicer in my opinion. And check his soap out. My favorite one is Lavash. Focus, damn it. Lavash. Can't go wrong, in my opinion, with that one. All right, let's do cold water. A little bit of cold water. Oh, that feels nice. How I missed you. I miss that feeling. And does this have alcohol? It says it does, witch's hazel as well. And let's see, I like the smell of this. Oh yeah, baby. That's the stuff right there. You can't go wrong with a cotty. When it comes to comfort. J-nuts as well. J-nuts are really comfortable. If they're not super like lightsaber sharp. All right. Thanks for watching. I always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.